Hi everyone, this is Mark Buckles for New Mexico State University Carlsbad. This VoiceThread PowerPoint presents ideas on members and leaders in small group workplace communication contexts. Among the goals in Learning Module 13 are to learn about the types and styles of leadership and to learn to participate more effectively as a group member. Member roles refer to the patterns of behaviors we're expected by others to perform and that we customarily perform. In work groups, the three types of member roles are group task roles, group building and maintenance roles, and individual roles. The following list of group task role labels is fairly self-evident. We may contribute to the work of the group by being an initiator-contributor, an information seeker or giver, an opinion seeker or giver, an elaborator, a coordinator, an orienter, an evaluator-critic, an energizer, a procedural technician, or a recorder. The following list of group building and maintenance role labels is likewise fairly self-evident. We may contribute to the personal satisfaction of the group by being an encourager, a harmonizer, a compromiser, a gatekeeper or expediter, a standard setter, a group observer, or a follower. Individual roles impede the work of the group and decrease group member satisfaction. Again, the labels of these roles are fairly self-evident: aggressor, blocker, recognition seeker, self-confessor, playboy, playgirl, dominator, help seeker, or special interest pleader. Another way to analyze the contributions of group participants is through the four categories of the interaction process analysis. These categories are social emotional positive, social emotional negative, attempted answers, and questions. To participate positively as a group member, one should be group or team oriented, center any conflict on issues, not personalities, be critically open-minded, work to ensure understanding, and be on guard against groupthink. Among the instances of groupthink behavior, the following have been identified. Members of the group communicate with an illusion of invulnerability, evincing an assumption of morality and an intolerance of differences of opinion. Peer pressure encourages self-censorship, and the group assumes unanimity. Other opinions and perceptions are avoided through gatekeeping. In combating groupthink, members should illustrate how simplistic solutions may not solve the problem, should encourage members to voice disagreement, and even reward members who do voice disagreement or doubt. Now let's consider leadership in small group communication. Leadership is the process of influencing the thoughts, feelings, and behaviors of group members. Leadership is the process of empowering others. Typically, one person serves as leader in a small group. Nonetheless, leadership may be shared by several persons. A person may be appointed leader, or the leader may emerge or be elected leader by the group members. Nevertheless, leadership is always given, never taken. Emergent leaders perform the duties of leadership and gradually become recognized by the members as the group's leader. Two significant factors influence the person likely to emerge as group leader. The first factor concerns the extent of active participation. The person who talks the most is more likely to emerge as leader. The second factor concerns effective listening. Members who listen effectively emerge as leaders. We labor beneath 3 myths about leadership. Myth 1 is that the skills of leadership are rare. Myth 2 is that leaders are born. Myth 3 is that all leaders are charismatic. Leadership theory is a popular research area in the social sciences. Let's consider 4 of the common approaches to leadership. The traits approach contends that leaders must possess certain qualities to function effectively. The functional approach focuses on what the leader should do in a given situation to be leader. In the transformational approach, the leader empowers and inspires the group's members. The situational approach focuses on accomplishing the group task and ensuring member satisfaction, and recognizes that leadership style may vary based on situation. A leader must be ready to activate the group agenda, promote group interaction, maintain effective interaction, and empower group members. In individualist cultures, each group member is important, but in collectivist cultures, the individual is less important and the group is paramount. Consequently, each culture's belief system influences group members' behaviors, and each culture has its own preferred and expected leadership style. This concludes Learning Module 13's PowerPoint lecture on members and leaders in small groups. Next, we'll consider organizational communication.